Hey guys, what's up? Picked this tote here up today for $5. As you can see, it's VHS movies. Now, my true intentions were to see if there was some tapes that were just recorded off TV. I'm trying to find old VHS tapes with commercials on them. That's why I kind of upload them to YouTube. That's some about my channel. But I figured, well, what happened was I was trying to buy just three I found in there. I'm going to check that there's commercials on them. Just TV, off somebody made with their own tapes back in the day. And they were trying to charge me $1 for them. I was like, well, I was thinking more like a quarter. But they said, well, I pulled them out of here originally, and I told them that, and they said, well, it's supposed to all go together. So I had to buy all of these for $5. So I figured, why not make a video? Let's just show you what's inside here. Alright. Now, I didn't really want all these, but they made me take them. Well, oh, I love that movie. I'm just going to lay them out here. Secret Garden. Oh, wow. Remember this? It took forever to watch. 2 tapes just to watch. Stepmom. Stuart Little. But yeah, I just figured you guys could look with me. I mean, $5 for all of them. That's a pretty good deal, but you know how it is. Nobody really wants to put up with VHS tapes no more. It Takes Two. That's pretty good if you're a kid back in the 90s. Oh heck yeah, sweet. I guess that's worth it alone. Surely that's worth $5. But I mean, the tote is worth more than $5. Okay. I feel like that's kind of rare a little bit. I barely remember that. Recess. That's pretty cool. Oh, nice. I've been wanting to see that with my kid again. For some reason, I like this one a little better when they go on a little cabin out in the woods vacation. Let's see, what else we got here? Classic. That's pretty cool. Oh, nice. DuckTales. I did take a look in here a little bit to find those tapes to see if they had commercials, but I mean, this is from a place that's kind of religious. Goodwill, if that's what you want to call it. Whoever this was really liked Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen. I've never even heard of this one. Oh, that's cool. Matilda. The old clamshells. We all thought they would be worth something. Dang, another Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen movie. Must have been a little girl's collection. The Babysitter's Club. I haven't rented this one in a while. Oh, what'd you think? More of it. Our lips are sealed. What the hell? Oh, there's a classic. Yeah, this movie scarred me when they go to that island and they get drunk. I'll never forget that. It's too crazy. More Kate and Ashley Olsen. Well, sorry I said that name weird. I don't even know what that is. Never even heard of that. Yeah, this is definitely some little kid's VHS collection. Let's get these out. The Parent Trap. That's crazy. Lindsay Lohan. Spectre Gadget. Okay. Oh, I used to have to watch these in daycare. Shrek. Oh yeah, that's a good one. it scarred me too. Like, how he don't want to die. That's a sad movie. Yeah, mostly just... Oh, cool. I know she recently just passed away. Well, not recently, but a couple years ago. But the first Nickelodeon movie, I think. Plus, includes a Rugrats music video. The good old Nickelodeon days. That's a weird one, I remember. Cool, Home Alone 2, that's a good one. Home Alone 3, I don't really care about that. Oh, I actually loved this movie when I was a kid. So that's kind of cool. I'll have to watch that with my kid. It's a great Christmas movie. 50 cents. What else they got in here? More of that. Annie. But yeah, I just figured it's kind of like a mystery. What's inside kind of thing. Oh, nice. So I figured I'd just make a video and you guys could be along with me on it. Don't really know that. Alright, what's next is... That's a good one. That might be a cool 90s movie. I don't think I ever watched that. Spice World. That's pretty cool. They got their own movie. That's awesome. Yeah, I love to watch that every Christmas. Batman the movie? No way. I didn't know this existed. Huh. They actually had a movie. 1966, if you can read that. Batman the movie. The old one. Yeah. But yeah, I guess I'm stuck with them now. Oh well. There, bud, that's pretty funny. See a dog playing basketball. Oh, golly. How many movies do they have of these guys? Oh, girl, Little Princess. But yeah, nothing really that great, but... Oh, he's playing football in this one. But yeah, I figured I'd just make a video and just show you what's in here. Not really. I guess it's worth $5, but now I'm just stuck with them. But they're trying to get rid of physical media, so it might be a good idea to stock up. At least I got this. This is cool. Only thing. Oh, man. But yeah, thanks for watching if you're still here. It really wasn't that exciting, but it was just a bunch of old 90s kids movies. Later.